In this session, we're going to look at layered maps. For this exercise, we're going to use hospital data for the state of California. First, we will plot all the counties as shapes for the first layer, and then we're going to use the average healthcare rating for each county to color these shapes using value quartiles of the rating. Next, we're going to plot the cities in California to create the second bubble map layer by geocoding each city's location. We see them here as yellow dots, and to make it clearer, we're going to change them to a blue color and then slightly enlarge their size. Next, we're going to take each of the hospitals in California, geocode their addresses, and plot them as the third layer in this map. We can now change the order in which the layers appear on the map by switching the chips around. Again, we will change the color of the hospitals to red. Next, we'll use the case metric for the hospital layer so we can see which hospitals handle the most patients. Then we'll use the so-called death metric to see which cities have the highest mortality rates. To make things easier to see, we will reduce the opacity of the shapes, and we will also reduce the opacity of the bubble layers while giving them a black border outline so that our three-layered map is easier to read. And hopefully, with this visual, we can now perhaps see a relationship between the case, death, and rating metrics by location to drive better insights on Californian healthcare.